Hi, I'm Mike, and this is my final capstone project for CS50W, a web development program in Python and JavaScript. I've developed this final project through my own initiative. It was kind of up to us to decide what to produce. And I've been having this kind of desire to create this kind of platform for a while. I worked in education for many years now, about 18 years in various forms. And something that I found is always tricky, especially for freelance educators like myself or small schools, is that quite often there seems to be different platforms for telling people about schedules and courses, about collecting people together to enroll in that course, and then about staying in touch with them. So typically I'll see schools produce a website that informs about the course, and then they'll stay in touch with the teachers and staff through some kind of other group, like a Facebook group or a Discord group. So this project I called Set Course. You can see here the index page with just little kind of snippets of what courses that you can enroll in and the kind of various functionality of the site. I was particularly inspired by my wife is on an education at the moment to become a README therapist. I felt like this is a school that particularly could benefit from this kind of platform, since they tend to stay in touch by just massive amounts of email threads. As far as I know, the course organizers don't set up and run the website. They have outsourced that. And therefore for them, updating their information and spreading it out to students and making sure they've seen it and heard of it and it hasn't got lost in a million emails is a kind of challenge for them. So as part of this demonstration, I'm going to kind of set up a profile for them and display one of their courses just so you can sort of see how that would function. Let's have a look. Cool. Once you register, you are automatically created a profile as a user. They can set up a new course should they want to, or enroll in various courses as well, which were displayed on the index page. So to set up a course, let's borrow some information from their current course just by peeling it off their website. A little thing to notice about this as I update and add information is that each time I click out of the box, it will start a save sequence. For instance, if I update the price here, as soon as I click out of this, you'll be able to see over here the little save ring goes. What this indicates is that a put request is being sent to the server via a JavaScript function. And it will send this information asynchronously so that it's saved as part of the model that's set up for this course. And it means that if I leave this page, for example, go back to the profile, all of this saves as a draft. So I can go back and edit it without having to click a save button at any point. So once you set up the kind of main details of the course, you can begin to add modules. Let's add some dates. But within the module, we can set separate workshops. So that might indicate a particular day or a particular amount of hours. Great. So although it might seem that this is perhaps a slower process than simply listing all of the dates as they can be seen on their website, the benefit is, as we'll see in a moment, that once this course is published, all of the communication is then ordered by module. Once we've done setting up the entire education, we can go ahead and publish this, which will bring us into being able to see the details of this course. I've gone kind of an extra mile on this to attempt to make the CSS styling a little bit nicer. The background here is a blurred version of the main image to try and keep some of the colors thematically together. There's also various drop-downs here, so you can see how each module, you can see more information about it by clicking on this little drop-down box like that. There's also the option at any point, if you are the course host, to be able to click on it and edit it once more, changing the details, which will again be automatically saved. You are also able, whether you are a student or a school, to enroll in various courses. Let's, for example, just enroll in one of these courses. Once you're enrolled in a course, you would have access to this dashboard. So the dashboard is something that displays minimal but important information for students and makes it easy for course organizers just to be able to exchange information with them, basically. The part that's listed in the top half here is the current module or the upcoming module, where you would be able to see at a glance, okay, what's coming up or what's going on this weekend that I'm at the moment. As I said, the chat here is organized by module or automatically. So you can see how there is a different chat system set up automatically like that. So the advantage is that you wouldn't have to set up a more complicated server like a Discord, or that everything wouldn't just simply be in one big line like a Facebook group. Also automatically will highlight the module that is currently active to try to encourage interaction with the current module rather than people getting kind of lost and posting stuff on various different threads. So things kind of automatically stay organized as you progress through the education is the idea. There's also different demarcations here for whether you are a student on the course or whether you are the host of the course. You can easily post questions in here, and you can easily get answers as well as information about what is coming up. That is more or less my little introduction to Set Course, my final project here for CS50 web development. Having finished now with this course, I'm looking forward to whether I can find some work here in Copenhagen or surrounding Denmark. So if you'd like to hire me for something, please get in touch. It'd be great to hear from you. All right, it's been marvelous to finish this project, and this entire certificate has been something I feel like I've gained a lot of information from, especially working with Python and Django, JavaScript as well kind of trying to logically puzzle out how to put these kind of things together completely from scratch. It's been a big challenge and one that I found to be great in a very creative sense as well. Thank you to those who are assessing this. I've appreciated that very much. All right, take care.